Oi, I'm already live. So I'm right now playing with my Blackshark 4S Gundam Special Edition. So how about let's talk more about this. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So right now we will unbox the Blackshark 4S Gundam Edition. So guys, we've seen the unboxing of the Blackshark 4S Gundam Edition. It's really nice. It's definitely a very must for all the collectors out there. And you can see out from the wallpaper, you can see Freedom Gundam on full display on the home screen. And yes, on the lock screen, I can say that when you enter the home screen, you can see Shark-chan over here, which is what they call the mascot of the Blackshark. And I can see that she's really cute. It's a little bit resemblance of Hatsune Miku. And at first I thought that is this Hatsune? Before I go any further, I did a little bit of research on this one, and she's called Shark-chan. So right now you can even play with Shark-chan. You can tickle her a bit here, and she would laugh. Okay, so you just prod her or here on her face. She would feel ticklish, and she would, well, smile at you. After playing with this phone for almost 2 weeks now, and yes, I can see that this phone really can play, and it's being powered by the Snapdragon 870. Though it's not the latest, which is the Snapdragon 888, but well, for me, it's already enough. Snapdragon 870 is almost as powerful as that of the Snapdragon 888. I'm not so sure why they have to nerf it down to 870. Maybe because of the pricing or something like that. And of course, what I like about this one is it has the best, of course, storage here, 256 gigs of storage together with 12 gigs of RAM, which is the max out for this phone. And I love the triggers here, physical trigger button here, one blue and one red. It's, well, definitely a must for all the Gundam lovers out there. And I can say that, yeah, this one really is made for Gundam collectors out there. And you know what? I can highly recommend you that you buy a controller, game controller for this one, which is the Flydigi Apex 2. It also is featuring Freedom Gundam. Definitely, it's a very nice pair, okay? And they also have the Gundam Edition Blackshark cooler, which you can attach here at the back, which well, of course, wasn't able to catch it, but it's also a nice attachment for this one. But of course, any cooler would do. But if you want to have that collector's edition, might as well get that one. This phone, like I said, it's a Snapdragon 870, and Antutu gave it a 714,000 points out of the box. Now, for i22 benchmark, it was able to score a 495,000 points. Now, this one is a little bit intriguing, getting just a level 3 security level on Widevine here at DRM Info. Well, maybe you cannot watch those HD on Netflix here, but yeah, I'm not sure if there's any workaround for that. Now, for 3D Mark Slingshot Extreme, it's already maxed out. And Wildlife, it got a 4,346,000 points. Of course, that's a good score for gaming. So while playing dito sa Blackshark 4S ni Gundam Edition, no, I was able to bring together itong Cyberfox T1 no, ni Flydigi, and masasabi ko siya guys, yung color niya no, is almost the same. Tapos once sa pag umilaw to, kulay blue, parang Gundam. Okay, so I decided to pair it with this one. So I was able to play in game no. So what I like about these buds, and ito itsura pala niya guys, no, itong buds na to, it's really nice. Okay, so very futuristic ang kanyang design. So, nilagay one on the left and one on the right, of course. So, ang ganda dito sa kanya, no, is that it has yung Fox speed na low latency technology, which is definitely very important, no, when you're playing the game, lalo na kung ano yung naiiwan kayo sa game. Okay? Nauuna yung movement before yung sounds, which is definitely a no-no sa mga gamers, no. So, 12mm large diameter unit, ENC noise cancellation, no? So, yun ang important din when you're talking to someone. Ayaw mo masyadong maingay sa labas. And of course, in-ear design, which is, ang ganda ng fit niya, no? Very, for me, very gamer ang dating ng ganyan, no? So, playing the game, masasabi ko sa guys, while in-game dito sa Call of Duty, masasabi ko sa inyo, it's definitely nice. Napansin ko naman, ang bilis mag-connect dito sa phone, and wala ako na-feel na parang nauuna yung yung gunshot bago yung audio, no. There are some mga lower quality na TWS na iiwan ng audio. But this one, since sinabi naman na low latency naman siya, I have a high expectation dito sa buds na ito. And guys, you can buy this from Digital Walker, and I'll just post the link below din, no, guys. And definitely, I can say that this is really a very nice companion dito sa Blackshark 4S, and definitely you should try this one out. So speaking of gaming, I played the Call of Duty here for already 2 weeks, and I've been playing it all over again, and I can say that's really nice. I love the shoulder trigger here. My setting here is that the left shoulder trigger being the reload and the right shoulder trigger being the firing button. Yeah, it's probably the best setting. Of course, that's on my point. And these are the game settings, game graphics settings. Now, gameplay, I can say that it's really nice. Okay, so firing out loud on the two dual speakers on this phone, was able to enjoy. It's really immersive, and I can say that the graphics is really smooth. I was able to enjoy playing this game for maybe the most is 2 hours a day, and yeah, getting a lot of wins, getting a lot of kills. And yeah, frame drop is almost non-existent here on this phone. And of course, lags is of course not really that noticeable. And what I can say is that it's really enjoyable. Whether you play Mobile Legends, you play PUBG, you play Genshin Impact, or you play NBA 2K, I think this one can definitely perform. Now, the shoulder triggers has special function. Now, when you pull up the shoulder trigger on the left, you can turn on the flashlight in just one press. On the other one, when you pull up the shoulder trigger on the right, you can give it a one-hand mode, like this. Pretty nifty. Now, this phone rocks a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display, HDR10, and of course, 144 Hz of screen refresh rate. Now, definitely that gives you a very nice experience for gaming, and it also has 1,300 nits max brightness. Definitely, it's a good sign when you're outdoors. Now, watching some videos here on this phone, I can say that it's really nice and the experience is nice. And I can say that the punch hole on top of the screen is very small, very minimal. I can say that it's probably one of the smallest dot that I've seen on any smartphone from Androids. Now, the viewing experience on this one is definitely nice. I was able to watch some videos on Netflix, and yeah, I wasn't able to turn on the HD, but it's still enjoyable here. And of course, watching some on YouTube, it's also nice. And browsing through Facebook here is also a good experience since it has 188, since it has the 144 screen refresh rate. Definitely, browsing is a lot smoother. Now guys, probably the next question is that my main problem with the Blackshark 4S or the 4S Gundam edition is that it doesn't come with the Google Play service. Now, I'll put a link below on how to install this one, and yeah, just guide you through this one. All you need to do is just turn it on, and of course, just run the APK that I told you to download, and that's it. You can have your Google Play up and running. And of course, remember that the Google installer version 3.0 is no longer working on MIUI 12.5. Now guys, the Blackshark 4S has a pretty decent camera, 48MP wide sensor, 8MP ultra wide, and 5MP macro lens, and was able to take some really nice and decent shot. And I wasn't really expecting these quality photos from this phone. Check it out. I told you it's nice. Now, checking out some selfie photos from the front camera, which is a 20MP by the way. Now I was able to grab some videos here, which is for me not really the best videos that I've gathered from any smartphone, but of course, since this is a gaming phone, so I don't really expect too much from its camera. Check it out. So guys, this is how it looks like when you're vlogging using the Blackshark 4S. And I'm holding here is the Gundam edition. Check it out. Well, for me it's pretty solid. Yeah, just not really that stable, but yeah, it can do if you have a good gimbal, I guess. Now, the 4,500 milliampere hours of battery is definitely not the biggest in any smartphone, gaming smartphone, I mean. in this industry. Now, having 120 watts of fast charging definitely is something new to the gaming industry. Now, this one was able to charge it really, really insanely fast. Now, I drained the battery down to 18% and charging it back up to 100. And with the 120 watts of fast charging, I was able to achieve it in just 15 minutes. Imagine how fast that is. But of course, fast charging sometimes has its down point. When you charge too fast, it also drains fast. I was only able to gather 8 hours and 18 minutes screen on time from this one. And well, that's not really the best score that I've gotten in for screen on time, but playing with this phone the whole day, probably 2 hours gaming, and probably I was able to last me from 8 in the morning up to around 2 or 3-ish in the afternoon. Well, I need to hit the charging dock again. So guys, I was really impressed with the Gundam edition here. It's really a very collector's item, and I can say that this one is just a limited edition. Guys, if you are a Gundam collector, do check this out. And of course, you can buy this from... I'll post the link on the description box below where you can find them. And this one definitely is a very nice one. But of course, you can always opt for the regular one without this special logo, which is a little bit more expensive though. Now guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?